Hey everybody, welcome back to Miscelabros. Thank you so much for staying here in another video. Today we bring to you the unboxing of this headset. We're talking about the new Sony WF-1000XM5. Very strange name for this device. Sony, the name is not clearly to remember the name of this product, but well. Thank you so much for trusting us, and in this video we saw the technical specification about this headset and all what they are inside of this box. So let's begin. Alright, let's begin with the unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM5. The only difference in the name from the larger model is a single letter in the beginning of the serial. It's begin with the WH. Our first recommendation for our friends at Sony is to provide a more distinctive name for their products to differentiate between in-ear and on-ear devices. One of the first things we notice is that the colors are much more muted compared to other unboxings we have done, which often features pristine whites. Here we see a winter white, pastel colors rather than a pure, clean white, both in the paperwork and the headphone container. This is due to the use of recycled materials, which we applaud. It's great to see recycled paper, recycled plastic, circuits and other elements being given new life in a product we are now unboxing. Inside the box we find the case with the headphones, a rated short USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable, and a set of ear tips in various sizes, super small, small and large. The default ear tips are medium sized. This variety ensures a fit to different ear canal morphologies. Additionally, we have the documentation neatly organized inside the box, which includes the correct positioning for the headphones in your ears, the warranty policy, and in this case, a discount voucher for music apps. We always recommend reading these manuals carefully. They are not just paperwork to throw away, but contain valuable information for the correct use, positioning, and warranty coverage of your headphones. Remember, these headphones are IPX4 rated, meaning they are designed for sports and can handle sweat but are not meant for swimming. That covers the contents of the Sony WF-1000XM5 box. Now let's review each item in detail. The ear tips, unlike many manufacturers who use silicones, are made of polyurethane. This material not only feels comfortable, but also conforms to the shape of the ear canal, providing a better fit. The slightly dull appearance of the ear tips is due to the recycled cardboard they are contained in it. Don't think they are dirty or stained, it's part of the recycled material. Moving on the case, it's a matte black, which I find quite elegant. It doesn't show fingerprints like glossy finishes do. At the bottom, we have wireless charging capabilities, a pairing button, and a USB Type-C port for wireless charging. The lighter style case opens easily, and inside, the headphones are magnetically held in place, ensuring they stay put. The design is thoughtful and elegant, not appearing cheap or poorly made. The initial impression is that of a high quality and robust product. Now, let's demonstrate how to change the polyurethane ear tips. I'll swap a medium-sized tip for a small one since my ear canals are narrower. The earphones have a groove for the ear tip to secure properly, protecting against sweat and earwax. These polyurethane tips can be washed with hypoallergenic swab to maintain hygiene and cleanliness. The process of changing the ear tips is simple. Just pull off the old one and attach the new one, which should match your ear canal size. It's a straightforward plug-and-play process. Charging occurs directly within the case. For initial pairing, the headphones need to be inside the case. The pins inside the case facilitate direct charging. The full weight of this headphones case included is approximately 49 or 50 grams. The empty case weighs around 39 grams and each headphones weighs 6 grams, according to our scale, which aligns with Sony specifications of 5.9 grams per earphone. Now, let's look at the technical specification of the Sony WF-1000XM5. The case has an oval Zippo-lighter style design made from a matte recycled plastic. The earphones themselves are also made from recycled plastic with a glossy finish, and the polyurethane foam ear tips are sweat resistant with an IPX4 rating, available in black and silver gray. This closed dynamic earphones features an 8.4mm diaphragm, and the overall dimensions are 64.6 by 40 by 26.5mm, with the case and the earphones weighing 49 grams together. The Sony integrated processors B2 and Sony HD noise cancelling processor Q2E handle all the sound, providing a frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz at a 44.1 kHz at sampling rate, and 20 Hz to 40 kHz with a 96 kHz sampling rate using LDAC at 990 kilobytes per second. They support volume control, ambient sound mode, and Sony's DSEE Extreme technology for high-quality audio compression. Battery life depends on usage. 1.5 hours to fully charge via USB and up to 2 hours wirelessly. With a noise cancellation on, the headphones last up to 8 hours of continuous playback and up to 12 hours with it off. For calls, they offer 6 hours with noise cancellations and 7 hours without. These headphones also features noise cancelling, quick attentions via gestures, and support for SBC, AAC, LDAC, and LC3 codecs. Bluetooth 5.3 provides a 2.4 GHz bandwidth and a 10 meters range, which we'll test in our review. Pairing the headphones with your smartphone is straightforward. Open the case and hold the pairing button on the back. Once the blue LED starts flashing, they are ready to connect. We paired them with an iPhone, and the operating system suggested downloading the Sony app for enhanced functionalities such as gesture control, equalizer settings, noise cancellation adjustments, and more. This app, available on iOS and Android, greatly enhances the user experience, and we will explore it further in our review. So people, this was the unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM5. If you like this video, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this video to persons who love the technology like you and me. See you in the next video. We're talking about maybe, I don't know, another kind of headsets, keyboards, laptops, or a smartphone. Take care, pals. See you in the next video. A huge hug and bye bye.